What is up, guys? Welcome to the AirPods unboxing. And currently, my first impressions are not that good. But let's just get into the unboxing itself and we'll go through what I don't like. So the box is pretty normal, It's just a normal AirPods box, Apple box. But we're just going to take off the security tags and just get right into it. Once you have the security tags open, you know what we're going to do? We're going to open the damn box, you freaking dumbass. So once we open up the box, we're going to take out the manuals that nobody fucking reads, because you don't need to read the manuals. But yeah, we're just going to take them out and just put them back and put them to the side, man, because nobody reads that shit. So we're going to take the AirPods out, which thankfully are in the box. And we're going to look inside the box, because where's the charging cable? How are you going to charge this shit? Well, it's hidden underneath, okay? So yeah, you better go digging around your Apple box to find the charging cable. But yeah, basically, once you have the AirPods itself inside your hand, you can open them, okay? You can open the freaking retarded seal that takes a billion years to open. But once you open those, you got the AirPods. And now this is like a circular rectangle, if you know what I mean, okay? You can probably see it. But yeah, it's a circular rectangle, and the AirPods look like AirPod Pros, but without the silicone cone, okay? Silicone cone. But yeah, that's basically it. Audio wise, I would say they're pretty good. They're no different from the wired ones. Okay, they're just mad expensive. But we're gonna get into how the mic sounds, because I can actually show you guys that, okay? So this is how the mic sounds. This is my mic without the AirPods. This is my mic with the AirPods. So these are basically the wired ones. And they sound much better. They sound better than both the previous ones. And I would recommend these ones over anything. They sound the same. The mic is better. And the only difference is that it's wired and that's, Bluetooth. Okay. It's at $300 versus 20. So after going through that cringe, that immense cringe, you can probably tell that the mic on these things sound absolutely garbage, horrible, atrocious, dookie trash. Okay, the mic on this thing, you'd be better off with no mic. Okay, you'd be better off just sign language. Okay, these things sound horrible. How do the wired ones that cost like $20 have better audio than mic quality than these? And the audio is no different. They sound exactly the same as the wired ones. So I would say it's somewhat of, the only thing is that it's wireless, and something else is that the lid is actually kind of flimsy. But beyond that, I would say, is it worth it? Probably not. But yeah, I would give it a rating of 5 lemons out of an apple juice. Okay, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys inside the next one.